Are you a high school student looking to connect with your classmates on Facebook? Well, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to add your high school to your Facebook profile on your PC. First things first, open your Facebook account and log in. Once you're in, click on your profile photo located on the top right corner of the screen to open your profile. Next, click on Edit Profile to make changes to your profile information. Scroll down until you see the option to Customize your intro and tap on Edit. Now, it's time to add your high school to your profile. Click on Add Secondary School and tap it again to enter the necessary information, such as the name of your school and the year you graduated or will graduate. Once you've filled in all the required details, click on Save to update your profile with your high school information. And there you have it. You've successfully added your high school to your Facebook profile on your PC. Now you can easily connect with your classmates, share memories, and stay updated on all the latest news from your high school community. So what are you waiting for? Follow these simple steps and start connecting with your high school friends on Facebook today.